Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to collect payments in LiveChat with Stripe. So to collect payments from LiveChat with Stripe, you can manually create a Stripe payment link from within LiveChat or use a more advanced integration to manage billing within the chat interface. Okay, so for this example, we're not going to be using a third-party integration or even using third-party tools like Apify Automate or ChargeDesk. Okay, but if you want me to create those kind of videos, you can go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Now, for manual setup, right here under your Stripe account, we would need to get a payment link. Okay, so to do that, go to the left panel, click on under products, we have payments. Now click on payment links. Okay, and here do not click on create test. As it says, it's a test. Okay, go to the top right, click on new. And then here's the preview of your payment page and the after payment. Okay, this is for desktop and this one is for mobile. Now in here, if you want to, you can go ahead and change this one to customer choose what to pay. Okay, this is best for tipping, donations, or pay what you want. But basically, we're going to be choosing products or subscription right here. And now let's go ahead and click on find or add a test product. Now add new product. In here, we're going to go ahead and name this specific product. Let's say, for example, just a sample for LiveChat product. Okay, same as description right here. If you want to, you can go ahead and add in your own description and the image. Okay, it could be a recurring. The amount just maybe $10. Okay, it could be USD. Click on this drop down right here to select the correct currency. Okay. Now you have more pricing options right here, like you can find package, tiered, and usage-based pricing options. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on. By the way, you have the quantity. Okay, change it if you want to. If not, just click on add product. Wait for it. It says here product created, and here you have it. Okay, if you want to as well, you can go ahead and add in recommendation products. Also, you can collect tax automatically, but you will have to set this up. All right, you'll have to view the documentations right here to understand it. Now, customers' names, you can collect and mark it as optional or required. Okay, business names, optional or required, and some other options as well. Advanced right here, you have add custom fields. If you want to, you can go ahead and add in more fields, maybe a text field or more radio buttons. Now, we have the pay button in here. If you want, you can go ahead and change that. Just click on this drop down. It could be book or donate. All right. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and click on create a link. There you go. Here's your link or your product link. Now, all you need to do is just copy it. Okay. And by the way, at the bottom, you have these payment methods that are available for your customers. Okay, and that includes cards, Apple Pay, Klarna, Link, Cash App Pay, and Amazon Pay. Now, all you need to do again, copy the link. Now go back to your chats right here and send it directly into the chat or the customer who's going to pay you. And after that, the customer can click the link, which takes them to a secure Stripe hosted page. Okay, and it's going to show exactly how you made your payment page. Okay, they can just go ahead and fill in the information needed and hit on pay, and after that you're both good to go. All right, that is how you collect payments here in LiveChat with Stripe. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.